Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to define and describe the concept of production possibility frontier graph. You know that it is near to impossible to fulfill needs and wants of everyone living in this world. People have choices and limited resources to fulfill their needs and wants. Even different nations have not enough resources to fulfill every need of their citizens. In the wartime, the need to choose among limited opportunities is more dramatized because during wartime countries spend more on defense goods like guns, tanks and missiles, and resources are diverted from necessary goods and services like hospitals, schools and helping needy. For this comparison, production possibility frontier graph or PPF in short comes in handy. So let's define the production possibility frontier graph. Production possibility frontier or PPF shows the maximum quantity of goods that can be efficiently produced by an economy, given its technological knowledge and the quantity of available inputs. For this, we assume that a country can produce only two goods, bread and guns. As you know that bread is a necessity and guns are defense goods. Now let's assume following production possibilities. Here are 6 possibilities. In possibility A country is utilizing all its resources to produce only guns and 0 bread. In possibility B, 1 million bread is produced, whereas 14,000 guns are produced. And possibility C, 2 million breads are produced and 12,000 guns are produced. So this is the assumed data. So let's plot this data into PPF graph. On vertical axis, we are going to plot data for guns, and on horizontal axis we are going to plot data for bread. As you can see here that in possibility A, 0 bread is produced whereas 15,000 guns are produced. So the first point will be here. In the second possibility, that is B, 1 million bread are produced whereas 14,000 guns are produced. So that's why the second point will be here. And in that way, in possibility C, 2 million bread are produced, whereas 12,000 guns are produced. So the third point will be here. Just like that, we have to plot these points on the graph. And then by connecting these points with a line, we are going to have a line like this. This is production possibility frontier line. In that way, you can plot a PPF graph. That's very easy. The PPF is the menu of choices that an economy has to choose from. This concept can be applied to a broad range of economic choices. Just like the more we choose to consume of food, the less we can consume of clothing. The more resources the government uses to spend on public highways, the less will be left to produce private goods like houses. So this is the basic concept of production possibility frontier graph. We can plot as much possibilities as we can. That's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.